Hey everyone, it's Fabian here from Drum Lessons Bristol. Today we're going to look at the beat from Jungle Boogie by Kool the Gang. This is a really good beat. Really nice swung double kicks on these, and then that lovely hi-hat lift in the second bar. Okay, so let's slow down a little bit. I'd recommend just working on those double kicks, work on that first bar, and then work your way into that second bar with the kicks leading into that hi-hat lift. Okay, hope that was helpful. If you're working on this tune, have fun with it. It's really good practice for those tight double kicks as well. Check out my other videos and don't forget to subscribe.